Compost is doing what it do. This is the second year for this compost. In order for it to look like this is year 2. And I mean doing nothing to it. Nothing. It looks beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at all the life in it. Y'all probably can't see it, but I can see it. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. All right, family. So while we in the compost, we found some little eggs. Y'all comment down below what kind of eggs these are. All the scraps, all the garden scraps. It
boxes,
looks
cardboard boxes, and everything.
grass clippings. When I say these worms and whatever else has been working,
Look at the light out. Oh, I didn't mean I dropped it.
it looks better in person.
Look, check mouth.
There's a bug on it.